gonna pour the whole bag?
No. We pour a little at a time. It smells good.
Yeah.
Gotta keep stirring.
Yeah, going on your knees is way better.
I would stay on the high step because that's easier. Yeah, because your arm gets tired, so it's a little harder.
Yeah, then let Mariah get the edges there, Stella.
The edges are probably, wait, hold on. Like those tiny ones. You just get it a little and then you rub it on the sides where the batter is, and then you keep spinning.
Let me do some stuff.
And then now we can give to Mariah, and she's gonna spin a little. And we're baking cupcakes, and that's the batter. And it looks really good, but we're not gonna taste it because it has raw egg in it. So we're not gonna taste that.
We are still gonna taste it, yes.
Okay, we might taste it.
Just a little raw egg.
Just a little raw egg. There was only
There
3
we
eggs
go.
in there.
And we
plus-
only put 3 eggs in there, so.
Yeah, and also we mixed it a lot.
Yeah,
Here,
I'm gonna
it's
say
my
it's
turn.
ready.
Just a
You don't wanna
little more stirring.
Yeah, just a
little
little. It's
more.
almost ready.
Almost. Maybe like a little more. Because we want it to be like thick so the cupcakes are good. So when it bakes, it's not very squishy and it's how cupcakes are normal.
The sprinkles.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
I'll do a little bit at a time.
Wait, but can we like,
No.
can we take turns?
Go ahead, dump some in there, Mariah.
You
Not too
pour a little
crazy,
and
but
then I-
that's good. Whoop.
It's good. Whoa.
That's gonna be perfect.
Perfect.
I just want to be Sprinkles are the best part of
Do you want me
baking.
to add a little more?
So we always put sprinkles in our cupcakes. That should be enough. Just a little.
No, I barely put any.
Okay, that's enough. Yeah, that's it.
We might need a little more. And you have to really get the edges because that's where all the sprinkles go.
Yeah, like they
Like
come.
right here, there's a lot of sprinkles.
Yeah.
You have to make sure to. And we're trying to make like kind of confetti.
We're making
Yeah.
confetti cupcakes because these are going to be birthday cupcakes
I think we're good. Yeah.
For my brother. It's his birthday and tomorrow. And we're gonna go to my nana's house. She has a big pool, and all of our family's gonna come.
Yeah, because it's his birthday, so we got
We're
to
gonna have an ice cream bar. And we're gonna eat these cupcakes.
Yeah.
And we're probably gonna have cookies. My
And-
nana that lives there is probably gonna make some cookies.
And we're going to have 2 cupcakes before the party even starts.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like today.
All right, we're good on sprinkles. We're good.